I decided to go ahead and throw this video in also. This is the tank that's been removed. Original equipment, painted white snapper tank. And this is one of my spares. That's a modern one, like you find on, mowers that are really still sold today, but certainly 4 or 5 years ago, you find plenty of these around. It's a tank with a primer right here, and I've connected it, because it fits in the same spot. I've connected it here with the linkage. Now I may have to adjust this linkage a little because it might be dragging on that little butterfly, but I think it'll be okay. It seems to be moving pretty freely, but I may have to bend this up a little bit to get it where it's not rubbing so much. But that's the idea. Now, of course, you have to save these parts. This is the screw that held the tank on, and that spacer is very important. I may actually use a bigger spacer. So if you try to tighten that without that spacer in there, and you tighten that screw that goes into the block, you'll break this. It'll just snap off, and then you've ruined the tank, and you'll have about a $25 additional purchase to make to get you another tank. I've tried repairing them, that I've seen where people have broken them off, and boy, is that tricky. You take, to get it off, you take that 7/16 screw there, and then the 1/2 inch screw, this big one that holds the tank on, and get it out. I've tested this tank. I've replaced the diaphragm and the gasket that goes under there. And what I do is I test the tank after I get it on there with kerosene to make sure it primes. And then I pour the kerosene out and save it and use it again. And this one primed fine with kerosene, so once I put some gas in there, it should be good to go. So that's where we are now. I've got the tank on there. I haven't screwed it on yet, but we'll be doing that next.